go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees.
What's going on, YouTube? We back at it again, live in action. Y'all see what I got behind me? I got the Mercedes W204. This is a 2009 C300. This car here has been great to me. I am the second owner. It got 90,000 miles. It's a 2009. I have done a little bit of little changes to it since I purchased it. But let's get right to it, man. We're going to be installing some brand new headlights. Let me stop the talking and get to getting to the main part of this video. Y'all see those? I have tried cleaning these. It's just a lot of, you know, cracks inside. They're just 2009. These are probably the original headlights to this car. You see all the little cracks inside. So there's really nothing I could do with these. I will probably try to resell them. You know, a lot of wrecked cars out there. These are still valuable, good headlights. But overall, let me show y'all. Boom, there go the new ones. So let me just show you a little quick. Look at the difference on that. See that? You see that? It's a big old difference. See that? You see that? So yeah, that's quite a big difference there. I went with the same style lights because I like these. You see how the LED sits under there? And for the ones wondering about this here, I ended up finding these. I finally found them. They're actually with my paint guy getting painted. I did upgrade the grill. That's on one of my other videos. So if you want to see how that grill was, go check that video out. Pretty easy to do. But let's get right to it. Let's jump straight to it. I'm going to be removing the bumper, getting access to the headlights, and swapping those out. Stay tuned. All right, so I got the bumper off. Bumper's off. And to get the actual headlight off, you're gonna need an 8mm. And you're gonna be paying close attention to this. You got one here that goes all the way in there, locks in place. That's one. You got a small one that is right here. This one you're gonna have to get from underneath here. So you're gonna want to turn the wheel, turn this, and get it from down in there. I did have to use a double low extension with the 8mm. But yeah, this goes down there, screwed into there, and you have one other one. This third one goes right in this area here, right in there. You got another one that goes in here. So you got a total of 3, and those 3 should get the light out. Yep, there you go. Those 3 should get the light out, and there you go. So first thing first, before you put everything back together, make sure you test them out. I already tested them out. The high beam works, the regular headlight works. The LEDs look nice and clean. The blinker works. And these top lights, everything is good. Oh yeah, I like it. Just what I wanted. So now you just got to put everything back together. It's pretty easy. Just make sure this lines up with that. This lines up in there. And then you got this bottom one that lines up in there. And other than that, once it gets put in place, put everything back together. I'll try to show y'all as much as I can. All right, just started putting the bumper back on. Very easy to remove. It's gonna have two 10mm bulbs holding it down, and they're gonna be positioned one right here, one right there, and the other right there. And then this is gonna clip in there, and then it has two screws to hold. So this is one of the clips. I had to take it off, make sure that this bumper piece, this grill piece is actually lifted. This flaps up. Make sure you lift it, and it has a little clip that goes there. I had to take it back off to do that. So there it is, guys. All nice and done. Crystal clear headlights. I got the fog lights off right now. Like I mentioned before, I got the little clips finally. I ended up finding these. So those are getting painted. Can't wait to get those on. But overall, car looks good. The description will be down below. Y'all check out the description. The link will be there. I paid a little bit over $300 for these. Can't remember the exact price, but overall, I'm satisfied. Got some more plans for the Mercedes. It's gonna be going to the paint shop. The hood's gonna be getting repainted. The roof is gonna be painted black, and I got some wheels coming on the way, so y'all stay tuned for that. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me, and hope y'all enjoyed this video. Trust me, there's gonna be a lot more coming. Appreciate it for keeping up with the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Oh, and one thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. A lot of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. It tells me if they are or if they're not. 98% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So please, 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 please go hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, watch the ads, don't fast forward, watch the whole video. I try to make them short, at least keep them in about 8 to 12 minute range. So yeah, appreciate it. Y'all stay tuned until next time. Peace.